Hi, and continue with communication in a connected world summary. What did I learn in this model? In the first tab is network types. The internet is not owned by any individual or group. The internet is a worldwide collection of interconnected networks, internetwork or internet for short, cooperating with each other to exchange information using common standards. Through telephone wires, fiber optic cables, wireless transmission, and satellite links, Internet users can exchange information in a variety of forms. Smart home networks connect a few computers to each other and to the Internet. The Soho network allows computers in a home office or a remote office to connect to a corporate network or access centralized, shared resource. Medium to large networks, such as those used by corporations and schools, can have many locations with hundreds or thousands of interconnected hosts. The Internet is a network of networks that connect hundreds or millions of computers worldwide. There are devices all around that you might interact with on a display on a daily basis that are also connected to the Internet. This includes mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, smartwatch, and smart glasses. Things in your home can be connected to the internet, such as security system, appliance, your smart TV, and your gaming console. Outside your home, there are smart cars, airfit stacks, sensors, and actors, and even medical devices which can be connected. In the next tab is data transmission, and the following categories are used to classify types of personal data. Voluntary data. This is created and explicitly shared by the individuals, such as social network profiles. This type of data might include video files, pictures, text, or audio files. Observed data. This is captured by recording the actions of the individuals, such as location data when using cell phones, and inferred data. This is data such as a credit score, which is based on analysis of voluntary or observed data. And the term bit is an abbreviation of binary digit that represents the smallest piece of data. Each bit can only have one of two possible values, 0 or 1. There are three common methods of signal transmission used in networks: electrical signals, transmission in a chip. Transmission is achieved by representing data as electrical pulse on copper wire. And the next is optical signals. Transmission is achieved by converting the electrical signals into light pulses. And finish with wireless signals. Transmission is achieved by using infrared, microwave, or radio waves through the air. And the finished tab is bandwidth and throughput. In this, bandwidth is the capability of a medium to carry data. Digital bandwidth measures the amount of data that can flow from one place to another in a given amount of time. Bandwidth is typically measured in the number of bits that theoretically can be sent across the media in a second. Common bandwidth measurements are as follows: thousands of bits per second, millions of bits per second, and billions of bits per second, kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes. Throughput does not usually match the specific bandwidth. Many factors influence throughput, including the amount of data being sent and received over the connection, and the latency created by the number of network devices encountered between source and destination. Latency refers to the amount of time, including delays, for data to travel from one given point to another. And Webster reflection question. Maybe you don't work in a hospital, but if you are here, now it's because, like Kishori, you use computers and want to know more about networks. Did you know that the internet is a massive network of networks that are connected, either directly or indirectly to each other? It's kind of like this web that I live in. One part can be broken, but my web doesn't fall apart. I can fix it and even make it stronger. Would you like to be able to do that for your network? And communication in a connected world quiz. In the question 1, what is the internet? The answer is a network of networks. Question 2, what is an example of a binary values from everyday life? Room temperature, a simple light switch is this answer. Question 3, which category of network components include wires and cables used in a wire network? I think is devices. Question 4, what type of device is able to create physical movements? I think is Airfix tags. I need to translate this question with a sensor or actuator. I don't know what is actuator. And question 5, what are three options for signal transmission on a network? Is radio waves, electrical pulse, and light pulse. Question 6, who owns the internet? No one person or group. Question 7, which type of connected device is placed on objects to track and monitor them? This is airfield tags. Question 8, a bit consists of how many bits? A byte consists of how many bits in 8 bits? Question 9, which two numbers are possible values of a bit? Zeros and 1. Question 10, what measurement is used to indicate thousands of bits per second? Thousand is kilobytes per second. This is million, gigabytes, and more. And question 11, what type of network must a home user access in order to do online shopping? The internet. Submit. And congratulations, you have passed that test. I review my bad answer is this. What type of device is able to create physical movement? I don't know what this. I think is actuator or yeah, actuator. I reach this part. And this which category of networks component include wires and cables using in a wired network? Peripherals or hosts? I don't know. And this is my two questions, but okay, this is all for this our communication in a connect world. See you in the next one.